What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to add and subtract square roots. First example is 1 over 8 square root of 32 minus 1 over 10 square root of 50. The answer is 1 over 8. 32 is 16 times 2 and 50 is 25 times 2, which makes it 1 over 8. Square root of 16 is 4. 1 over 10. Square root of 25 is 5 root 2. That makes it 1 over 2 root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2. That makes it 0. Next example, we have 1 over 4 root 98 minus 1 over 3 root 128. The answer will be 1 over 4. 98 is 49 times 2, so square root of 49 so 2 minus 1 over 3 square root of 64 2. So that's going to be 1 over 4. Square root of 49 is 7 root 2. 1 over 2. Square root of 64 is 8 root 2. That will be 7 over 4 root 2 minus 8 over 3 root 2. That will be 7 over 4 minus 8 over 3 root 2. We have 12, 21 minus 32 root 2, which makes it negative 11 over 12 root 2. Next example, one over 3 root 24 plus 1 over 4 root 54. The answer is 1 over 3 4 root 6 plus 1 over 4 root 9 root 6. So 1 over 3 2 root 6 plus 1 over 4 3 root 6, which would be 2 over 3 root 6 plus 3 over 4 root 6. We add them. We need to have common denominator, so it's going to be 12, 8 plus 9, 6. That makes it 17 divided by 12 root 6. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.